This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Spacious traditional with fresh paint and new flooring, open concept floor plan, spacious kitchen with new granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, large primary bedroom with private bath and walk-in closet, second floor bonus room could also be fourth bedroom or home office. Nice backyard, patio, attached garage, and off-street parking. Established neighborhood convenient to shopping, dining, Colonial Williamsburg, Busch Gardens, Water Country, and easy access to I-64. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.